Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the COONYES 4K digital camera, a versatile device designed for photography enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators. If you're looking for a camera that's perfect for travel, YouTube content, or just capturing life's moments in stunning detail, this might be the one for you. Let's start with the image quality. This camera packs a 56-megapixel sensor, allowing you to capture sharp, detailed photos with natural colors. It records video in 4K at 30 frames per second, delivering clear, high-resolution footage. The autofocus system is fast and responsive, so you won't miss a shot. Whether you're photographing moving subjects or capturing everyday moments, even beginners will find it easy to get professional-looking results. One standout feature is the 180-degree flip screen, which is perfect for selfies and vlogging. This screen rotates, making it easy to frame yourself and ensure you're always in the shot. Coupled with the 16x digital zoom, you can capture distant scenes, wildlife, or scenic landscapes with impressive clarity. It also comes with a built-in flashlight, so low light and indoor photography are no problem at all. This makes it a very practical choice for content creators on the go. The camera's usability is another highlight. It features a 360-degree rotating mode dial, allowing you to quickly switch between camera settings, image capture, video recording, self-timer, motion detection, slow motion, smile capture, and continuous shooting. Everything is laid out intuitively, keeping every function within reach. You don't need to navigate through complex menus, which is ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to start creating content right away. Connectivity options are also convenient. You can transfer files via USB, making it easy to move photos and videos to your computer for editing or sharing. It even doubles as a high-quality webcam. Just connect it to your PC via USB, switch to webcam mode, and you're ready for live streaming, video calls, or real-time vlogging. Finally, this camera comes with essential accessories like a lens hood and memory card, making it ready to use right out of the box. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and the intuitive controls make it suitable for teens, beginners, and anyone looking to produce high-quality content effortlessly. So, if you're in the market for a camera that balances performance, versatility, and ease of use, the COONYES 4K digital camera is definitely worth considering. Whether you're shooting videos, selfies, travel content, or simply documenting memories, this camera has the tools to help you create stunning visuals. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.